Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tonight I want to discuss ETFs, and the one I want to talk about is SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF. Before we get started, Stock Planner channel is an education channel. Do your own due diligence, learn how to trade. We're swing traders, catching the tops and bottoms of price movement, but you're responsible for your own trades. I'm not advising you to trade, especially this one here, because actually I'm not really sure how to trade SMH, the Semiconductor ETF. Let's take it and explore further. Let's get started. As I said, we're swing traders. We're trying to get these tops and bottoms. If we went short about here, we probably would have made a profit. This is the zigzag. It predicts those tops and bottoms perfectly, except that it doesn't. It looks to the future and then paints them perfectly. I use it to visually see how my indicators are doing and whether I can rely on them. The indicators I like are MACD, and I like this to be deep above the zero line or below. I like my stochastic RSI to come back around deep above the zero, above the 80, and above the 30 coming back around. These are all three conditions that gives me kind of a reliable signal. This was close to the zero line, so we didn't really get that one. But again, this is deep, stochastic RSI coming around, and there is the RSI. Deep, and the other two indicators. This one was a no. This was fairly deep MACD. The stochastic RSI came around, and so did the RSI, but it didn't go down. So they're not foolproof. But now, we got the MACD deep and above the zero line. The stochastic RSI coming around was above the 80 in overbought situation, coming back down around. The RSI is in the overbought situation, coming back around over to 30. And in the last 2 days, we've had some negativity with SMH. Looking on StockTwits on their SMH, we see this article was published 2 days ago. Chinese chip makers slump as Beijing sends speculation warning. Semiconductor stocks slid in China. Beijing is tightening regulatory grip. Of course, they're making the chips over there. We need them, and they want to control. I don't think it's a good situation for the United States. So with that piece of information, let's dive in and expand this just a little bit. As I said, the zigzag is a good visual indicator, and it allows me, these are prints, these are the major swings, and these dotted lines are the minor swings. You try for them, but the last print I use for my fibs, and there they are. The zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. That's generally a sign it's coming down. As I said, the MACD is sent down, overbought for the stochastic RSI, and overbought for the RSI. Here's your 50%. When you have a run up like this, it's been fantastic. A lot of people believe that it'll come back down to 50% and continue on. I do believe in the 50% retracement theory, down day to day. So what do you think? Is this going short or are we going long? If it's going short, how long will it last? So this is an expensive stock, $267. If you have a small account with $5,000 in it and 5,000 margin, you probably only want to trade about $1,000 for each trade, and that gives you a chance of about 2.5 shares. Or you could do some sort of option play, bear call spread, with the hopes that it would stay below this until expiration. Bear call spread, or short the stop, or do nothing. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. Happy trading. Do your own due diligence. As I said when we started this, I'm not sure exactly on this, but we are due for a pullback, despite the fact that semiconductors have been on a tear. Like and subscribe. Happy trading. I like what I'm doing. I hope you do too. Catch you on the flip.